Samways. He gets so many good touches. That's what's so attractive about both these teams. There's some good adroit skill on the ball from players all over the pitch. They can use the long ball as well occasionally. There's 9. Chettle. Clough is currently tying up his boot and out of the proceedings, so it's Glover. Now Clough's up again. Parker. Challenge was by Stewart, a good one. Here's Samways. Lineker's off down the middle, has to be careful about the offside. Stewart wins it back again for Spurs. In goes Parker. And then a flying challenge by Howells. Forward by Parker, Hodges there. Here comes Glover. Away by Sedgley, back in again by Walker. Howells this time, now Sedgley. Keane, and it's Crosby. Clough. Steve Sedgley for Tottenham. Roy Keane for Forest. And an argument has ensued between Keane and Edinburgh. And Sedgley being told to leave the scene by the referee. There was a little disagreement and a semi-scuffle there after the cross by Keane had floated away. The two young players we featured really at the very start of the afternoon there, the youngest on either side, just getting carried away.
Milford, quite right, just saying to Justin Edinburgh, as you were walking away, I saw the little back heel, which aggravated Roy Keane. Just leave it alone, let's get on with the game.
It was Chettle. Stewart. Allen back to Van Houw. Into Stewart. And now Hodge for Forest. He's always played well against Tottenham since he went back to Forest. And here's Keane finding Crosby. And they need people making strides in the middle now, Forest. And Crosby goes past Sedgley. And then Howells comes over and a corner is given. There aren't too many tall players in the Forest team to make the most of corner kicks, but Steve Chettle is up. Flick on by Keane, Clough is there, and there was some pushing. And they've not seen their team in an FA Cup final since 1959, and they're making the most of it. Allen, Samways outside him, Lineker the other way. Samways comes back inside. Some space here for Gary Parker. It's a lovely little bit of skill from Nigel Clough, and he was tripped by Paul Stewart. The way Clough turned away from the first challenge said everything about his football brain. He thinks so quickly. If he can't run that as fast as some of the other players, he certainly thinks faster. Look at the way he got away from the first challenge, and then Stewart brought him down. And that's come off the wall. Parker had the shot, it was deflected, and it's a corner. Chettle's in there. Parker again. That could have gone anywhere. they won the European Cup twice under Brian Clough. Lots of League Cups. The League Championship. Are they going to win the FA Cup, which Spurs have won on 7 occasions? Stewart is back in business, and Spurs have the free kick to be taken by Pat van den Hauwe. Howells is forward, and so is Sedgley. 2.5 minutes to go. Oh, Crossley didn't seem too confident on that. He poured it a bit, rather than claiming it. This is Mabbott. Edinburgh. Stewart. Howells. Stewart again. Lineker's waiting, tries to play a 1-2 with Stewart. The foot in was by Walker. Walsh can just let the ball run, which he does for a corner. Naeem will take this, and up they come Howells, Sedgley and Mabbott. Sedgley at the back, but it fell quite nicely for Clough to Keane, and look where Eric Torsvets had to come to meet Lee Glover. It's away by Edinburgh. Linesman signals that it took a deflection. It's a Spurs throw.
Terry Venables probably noticed just now his team were caught a bit short on that counter-attack from Forest, and a good ball by Roy Keane because they had an extra man, but in fact he put it too far ahead and Torsved was able to come out, and certainly the second's ticking away now.
Just a minute in fact, Trevor, and then we shall be into extra time. Here's Howells, looking for Lineker. He had 2 to beat, and pulled up Gary Lineker as though he may have strained a thigh there. Here's Crosby. Howells. Switched across to the other side for van den Hauwe. Well, we're now moving into stoppage time. Here's Walsh. Lineker's waiting in the centre, but the ball never looked like reaching him. It was away by Walker. Walsh. Walker again. Corner. This could be the last opportunity either side has to settle it in 90 minutes. Naeem, with Lineker waiting on the line, has gone across to take a corner for which Mabbott comes striding forward for Spurs, which suggests it might be an outswinger. They've got Sedgley there too. Howells is in there. Oh, clawed away by Crossley.
Remember him scoring against Forest in the league, up at Forest with a similar type of header, but on that occasion it was a combination of Crossley and on the line I think it was Gary Parker who got it away, and certainly a goal then, and that would have been the cup for Spurs.
Instead it's 30 minutes of extra time, quite a common occurrence in recent Wembley finals, and just wonder whether Paul Gascoigne will be watching this in hospital, but Terry Venables' team came back without him to turn things around in the second half. And now will Brian Clough get some words across to his team, but perversely he sits on the bench, does not move, feels no need to go over and say anything, and he leaves it to Archie Gemmill and Liam O'Kane.